Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about my Warbonnet XLC hammock. I've been using this thing over a year. It's been a really good hammock. You can see how compact it is. I've actually had tarps that I've bought and I've been able to store it inside the same compartment with your hammock. I mean, you can compress this thing down pretty compact. I mean, it gets pretty small whenever you cram it down in there. And like I say, you can use a good 10 by 10 tarp. I think it was a steel nylon that I used to do that, but this has been an awesome tarp, guys. Very easy to pack, lightweight. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put this up. I'll show you guys how to put it up, and then I'm gonna talk a little bit more about it. See how much this thing can really fit in it. It's like a magic trick. You can fit a lot of room in that little pouch. But they give you 2 tree straps to go with it, so you can hang it from a tree. 2 trees, I should say. And they give you these little, they're kind of like D-rings. They give you 2 of them on each end. They'll look just like that. Hey guys, today we're just going to be talking about my Warbonnet hammock. I've had this thing over a year and it's been an awesome hammock. I mean, for the money, it's pretty expensive, but I mean, you get quite a bit with it, and they give you all kinds of options whenever you buy this thing from the Warbonnet site. But it comes with this mosquito netting, which is removable. You can take it off and put kind of like a winter covering on top if you like using hammocks in the winter time. I'm not a big fan of cold weather hammock camping, but I usually use a tent, but this is an option. It is water resistant. The fabric is water resistant. It's not waterproof. So that's something you want to keep in mind. So it's not going to be something that's going to replace your tarp or your shelter, whatever you're going to be using to cover yourself up with. Even if you've got the wintertime cover, it's going to be water resistant. It's not going to be waterproof. So that's definitely something you want to keep in mind. But this thing has got a zipper that runs all the way alongside, just one zipper. It's got this nice little line in here, kind of a ridge line. You can hang things on it if you want to. If you want to dry your socks out or your shirt or something, you can just take it off and hang it from up here. It's got this shelf back here. I'll get you kind of a closer look inside, but it does have a shelf on the inside of it. It's double layered, so you can put like a foam pad, something like that inside there. And I always end up getting dirt and sand and stuff in here. Sorry, buddy. See how much room this thing has in it. That's your shelf right there. You can store lots of little things on it. Some people store their handguns and stuff up there. You got plenty of room in this thing. Nice buckles up here as well. That really holds this thing really nice and firm. I didn't think they'd work very well, but they really do. Here's their logo. Sewn with pride in Colorado, USA. American made too. That's even makes it even worth more money if you ask me. Plenty of room down here, kind of a foot box. You can see right here. Plenty of room for a sleep pad or something. It's not a bad product, guys. It's expensive, but it's right around, I think, the $200 mark for the XLC model. I think the regular Blackbird's a little bit cheaper, maybe $179.99. But it is a good product for that price. I'm not gonna lie, they don't give me free products or anything for saying these reviews, guys. I just do reviews of stuff that I really like and really think that are great products. And this is definitely a great product. If you're 7 foot tall, then get the XLC because it gives you plenty of room. I'm only 6'2", but I still like to have plenty of room for my legs because I'm always wiggling my legs around. It's a great, great tent, or sorry, hammock. If you guys have any comments, just let me know. Any questions about it, feel free to just leave it in the comment section. But hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, keep your blade sharp and your mind sharper. See you next time. Thanks for watching.